Hello and welcome. Today's topic is geography, a region or a culture. So today we are going to discuss about the kingdom of Chandels, the land of Bundels, or in a simple way, Bundelkhand. So what's so special about Bundelkhand? Let's start it. Though lesser known, Bundelkhand God has its own uniqueness. It won't be wrong to say that Bundelkhand acts as a merging portion for the North Indian Gangetic Plain to the Central Deccan Plateau in both geographical as well as cultural way. Talking about the geography, Bundelkhand lies in the northern part of the central India. It has 14 districts in it, 7 in Madhya Pradesh and 7 in Uttar Pradesh. The region, which is near to the UP, is more of historical importance, while the one in MP is of natural resources and the natural heritage. Talking about the Bundelkhand region, Saugor district is the largest in area and population, while Jhansi is the largest city in both area and population. Banda is the densely populated district. During summer, Jhansi records the highest temperature in UP, while Khajuraho records the highest temperature in MP. So this whole region is one of the hottest places of the two states. Bundelkhand region has got 4 major rivers, that is Yamuna, Betwa, Ken and Dhasan. The last two, Ken and Dhasan, are purely dedicated to Bundelkhand. It has got both source and mouth in the Bundelkhand only. One of the most famous capital of Bundelkhand, that is Orchha, is on the bank of river Betwa. The birthplace of Goswami Tulsidas Ji Maharaj, that is Rajapur, is on the bank of river Yamuna. The Ken nourishes the Panna National Park. Saugor, Chhatarpur, Panna and Damoh are naturally rich. They have got hills and the forest cover. The very first dedicated rulers of this region were Chandels. Nanuk was the first king of Chandel dynasty. He was the ruler of Khajur Vatika or present-day Khajuraho. As the time passed, the throne was transferred to the Vijay Shakti and Jaya Shakti. This region was known as Jeja Bhukti at that time, in which Bhukti means the region. So before the arrival of the Bundels, this whole region was known as Jeja Bhukti. The capital cities of Chandels were Kalinjar, Khajuraho and Mahoba. Alha and Udal belonged to the Chandel dynasty during the rule of Parmaradidev in the 12th century. Khajuraho monuments were constructed by Chandels between 9th and 13th century. It is considered as one of the golden period in the temple construction in India. After the rule of Muslim and Ajmer Rajputs, Bundel came to this region in 16th century. The first king of Bundels was Raja Rudra Pratap Singh. The very first capital of the Bundels was Gadkundar, which is in the Tikamgarh, Madhya Pradesh. The capital was later shifted to the Orchha. Orchha state laid the foundation of the Bundelkhand kingdom. The estates of the Bundelkhand kingdom were Orchha, Datia, Panna, Ajaygarh, Chhatarpur and Charkhari, which is in Mahoba. As a gratitude to the help during the war, Maharaja Chhatrasal of Bundelkhand gifted Jhansi to the Peshwas. Chandels had a strong belief in Jainism. That is why Bundelkhand is blessed with so many Jain temples and a large proportion of Jain population. Number of all Jain temples in the rest of the districts of the UP and MP will be lesser than that of Jain temples in the Bundelkhand region. This photograph in the background is of Kundalpur, a famous Jain pilgrimage in the Damoh district of Madhya Pradesh. Talking about the language, Bundelkhand speaks Bundeli dialect of Hindi. There are 3 major variations of Bundeli. The first, Jhansi Jalon variation, second Sagar Damoh variation and third is Banda Mahoba variation. The first 2 variations, that is Jhansi Jalon variation and Sagar Damoh variation, these are very similar to each other and they are quite soft spoken, while the one spoken in Banda Mahoba is a hard tone language and it is very much different to the first 2 variants. Here is the 5th example of the difference in the variation. The first one is English, the second one is Hindi, the third one is Jhansi Jalon or Sagar Damoh variation, while the fourth one is Banda Mahoba variation. It won't be wrong to say that Bundelkhand once was the synonym for the bravery. Rani Durgavati was from Chandel dynasty, she was the daughter of Chandels. Rani Lakshmibai, Maharaja Chhatrasal and Ala Udal. These are the famous examples. Talking about the spiritual importance, Bundelkhand is blessed with Chitrakoot in UP, Ma Pitambara Devi, Ma Baglamukhi Mata, Ma Dhumravati Mata temple in Datia. It is the largest temple of Ma Baglamukhi Mata in India. Jain Tirth Sthal in Kundalpur and Khandiana. The temple of Ramraja Sarkar in Orchha and the folklore god of Bundelkhand, Lala Hardol temple in Orchha. Bundelkhand is very unique. Though considered as the underdeveloped, lower and backward area, it is full of amazing experience. If you are a geoscience lover, if you are a natural lover, if you are a lover of culture, if you are a lover of the history, Bundelkhand offers you a best experience. Khajuraho is the second most visited heritage site in India. If you are visiting this region, kindly pay attention to the people and the culture. I hope you like this video and the topic. Kindly let me know in the comments. We'll meet again with another video on the topic. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you soon. Thank you very much.